Okay, everyone. Deviation bar diagram. Deviation bar diagram is one of the easiest diagram among all the bar diagrams. इसमें बस एक चेंज किया जाता है कि आपका नेगेटिव एक्सेस भी बनेगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन दिस क्वेश्चन वी आर गिवन रेवेन्यू एंड कॉस्ट ऑफ अ कंपनी. Now for this particular example we need to calculate the profit and loss for each year. So I'm going to write down the question first of all as it is given in the question. It is given as in the year 2018, 2019, 2020 and 2021 year. Then I'm given revenue. Then I'm also given the cost. Next I have to make a column for profit and loss, because you all know revenue less cost is profit or loss, whatever you will be getting. Let's write down the values. So revenue for the this year was 10,000 rupees and the cost was 8,000 rupees. So there has been a profit for this year, that is plus 2,000 rupees. For this particular year you got a revenue of 20,000 at a cost of 22,000 rupees. So you had a loss of 2,000 in this year. Moving further, in the year 2020 your revenue amounted to 30,000 and your cost amounted to 20,000. So you earned a profit of 10,000 in this particular year. In this year you had a revenue of 40,000 at a cost of 45,000. So you had a loss of 5,000 in this year. So this was some basic information that we just did. With using revenue and cost we calculated the profit and loss for different years. So we need to plot it on a deviation diagram like this. Now for this particular diagram I need in negative also, because I am given losses also, right? So this is origin, x-axis, my y-axis. Now my attribute is year. किस year की बात हो रही है? Attribute is year over here, and my profit and loss is to be put on y-axis. Profit and loss. Okay, so I can take gaps in twos or I can take gaps in five. I'm gonna take gaps in twos like this: 2,000, 4,000, 6,000, 8,000, 10,000 and 12,000. I'm gonna stop over here. For negative axis, that is the y dash axis. For this I'm gonna take intervals in minus 2,000, minus 4,000. All right, for different years 18, 19, 20, 21, 2018. थोड़ा सा मैं ईयर नीचे लिखना चाहता हूँ, here it will affect my graph. 2019, 2020 and 2021. ठीक है सर. For the year 2018 I earned a profit of 2,000, so my bar diagram will go like this. That's it. For the year 2019 I again I earned a loss of 2,000, so my diagram will look like this. It's negative this time. That's it. It's a deviation bar diagram. That's what it means. For the year 2020 I earned a profit of whooping 10,000. For the year 2021 I earned loss of 5,000, so I'm going to need more space in here. Y dash axis. Over here I'm going to take minus 6,000, so somewhere between 4 and 6 I'm going to take the gap. So this is how deviation bar diagram looks like. So here heading डाल देना, deviation bar diagram. This is deviation bar diagram. Please don't forget to mention the scale also. Scales are like this. On x-axis 1 centimeter equals 1 year, and on y-axis your 1 centimeter will be equal to 2,000 profit or loss. Rupees 2,000. Write down in bracket profit and loss. मैं short में लिख रहा हूँ, आप पूरा लिखना profit or loss. I want all of you to note it down in your registers. Please सब लोग ये deviation bar diagram note down कर लो. It's just a matter of fact. Deviations can be negative like this also. I'll stop the recording now.